Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, February 23rd. You can see temperatures in the mid to upper 20s across the area. We got a major winter storm heading towards the Great Lakes. Winter storm watches out for most of the MAC area. And again, we're going to have to watch the track of this storm, but certainly a large area of the MAC area could pick up around 6 to 12 inches, if not locally more. Again, it'll be a pretty sharp cutoff to the northwestern portion of the heaviest snows. And again, we'll follow that track of the storm. I think one of the biggest features we may find with the storm, along with the very heavy, wet nature of the snow, we expect high winds of 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts around 40, maybe even 45 miles per hour tomorrow night into Thursday morning. And again, that could cause a very significant amount of power outages across the state, something we'll be following. You can see on the regional outlook temperatures in the 20s and 30s across the state. Again, it'll be a nice day today, the proverbial calm before the storm. I think we're going to see at least partly sunny skies, highs in the upper 30s to low 40s for a very nice day. It'll be a good day to get ready for the storm. You can see on the Lansing webcam this morning, again, no snow on the ground, but in 36 hours, this should be a whole different scene across the area. And you can see on radar our developing storm across Texas now, breaking out a lot of moisture across that area. It'll track to the east to Louisiana, pick up a ton of Gulf moisture, and then that storm will cut to the northeast into the western portions of Tennessee here over the next 24 hours, and then on its way towards Lake Erie and Lake Ontario as we get into Thursday morning. If we take a look at the forecast map for tomorrow morning, you can see a low pressure system across to western Tennessee, again moving to the northeast towards central Lake Erie, and by Thursday morning that system will track a little bit farther to the northeast, and again bringing a very howling northeast wind, wraparound snows. Again, the deformation zone looks like it will give portions of Michigan a good 18 to 24 hours worth of snow. Combine that with about 12 to 16 hours worth of high winds, and you can see why we're going to be concerned about a lot of power outages across the area. If we look at snowfall amounts, again, this is a Canadian which has been the least generous with the snow all along, but now pumps a pretty good area of 6 to 10 inches of snow across southeast lower Michigan into the thumb, and you can see the very sharp cutoff on some of the models, but it's the outlier. Most of the rest of the models show a very significant amount of snow falling across all the MAC area, a good area of 6 to 12 inches of snow for many locations. And again, if we look at the GFS model, it even has some local isolated spots down around Three Rivers and over here towards the Flint area of up to 20 inches of snow. That's probably a little on the high side. But again, you can see some of the very heavy snowfalls it's going to try to rain out. Again, some of this could be held down by possibly a mixture of rain at the onset. But again, a very heavy wet snow. Power outages are possible across the area. I'll be heading out towards Canada for the LAC winter meetings here for tomorrow, talking about the spring and the summer growing season. And before I do that, I'll be heading out to Sandusky Middle School again to work on their weather station there while I'm on my way to Canada. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, and 73s to all.